I just got a new ride. We're going into the infield of Daytona. Along with that, it's a ride along. We going racing today?
There you go. Hey, bud.
That
So what'd you
was
think?
awesome.
Holy cow. I'm dirty. I guess that's what happens when you work on an old diesel. That's just all diesel exhaust soot caked inside this intake manifold.
All right, we are Oceanside with Chris and Tyler, about to put the boogies to action.
I just got a new ride. I gotta figure out how to put this in drive. Oh gosh.
Backup camera too.
So we're going somewhere that I don't know about. And these spots are very tight.
So I have a surprise for Christopher. He doesn't know what it is yet, but he's scared.
I'm scared because apparently I'm gonna be all alone.
Kind of.
She's not coming with me to whatever I'm doing. So
It'll be worth it though. He'll have fun.
we're in Florida too.
Oh yeah.
We forgot that most important part.
Yeah, we're on a vacation.
Daytona.
Yeah.
I don't know how to get out of this parking garage.
Just keep going in the loops. We made it out of the parking garage.
After an hour driving around in circles, we made it out. And now we're gonna go over a bridge.
Yeah, we'll show you guys in a second. We'll show you the bridge.
Unfortunately, it's cloudy and not the warmest, but we're not in Michigan where it's cold all the time, so that's a plus.
And there you go, that's the bridge. It's nothing's too special, but it's still...
It was a lot shorter than the Mackinac Bridge, that's for sure.
Yeah, a lot shorter. And over the ocean, so I mean...
There's no one here.
We are.
What are we doing?
We're at Daytona Raceway.
First time here.
Yeah,
Now where to go?
I don't know.
What do you mean?
You keep going straight. We'll find out, I guess.
We going racing today? We're going into the infield of Daytona. This is awesome. I've never done this before. Along with that, it's a ride along.
He's never done it before, so I wanted to do something special for him. And I thought this would be really fun for him to do.
I got the best fiance ever. Ooh, you can hear him.
Ooh.
There's a pretty good chance that this truck can keep up with them. Easy. This is so awesome.
So excited?
I'm so excited. It's gonna be awesome. I miss that sound. I haven't heard that in so long.
It's been a minute.
It's such a good sound.
There you go. Hey, bud.
Hey,
How's it
scooch
going?
back
All the
good.
way in the seat. Look nice and tall for me. What's your name?
Chris,
Chris, where are you from?
Michigan.
All right, welcome, buddy. My name's Albert. I'll be your driver today.
Awesome.
You ever do anything like this before?
Nope, first time.
How do you feel about going real fast today?
I love it.
You okay with that part?
Oh yeah.
Awesome. Okay. You got some paparazzi out there. People taking pictures
Yep.
of you. You know that, right?
Oh yeah.
You're not wanted or anything, right?
Nope.
'Cause we can get
I
away.
hope not.
It's gonna be a little snug around your waist, okay, bud?
Yep.
Same with those shoulder straps, a little bit snug. All right, once we get the okay, we'll be out of here. All right, you ready to rock and roll?
Heck yeah.
What'd you
was
think?
awesome.
Would you do it again?
Yeah. I wish it was longer. It's such a crazy experience. Like hitting those banks. Oh, you feel like you're gonna just slide down, but you just keep going. It's awesome.
Oh my gosh, it was
That
so cool.
going that fast too?
Do you know how fast you were going?
No. Fast. Over 100.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Are you shaking?
No, not really. That was so fun.
Oh my gosh.
Not long enough. It's just crazy to think that there's 40 cars just all in one pack. Doing that. There's
Yeah.
a bag on the track, so I think they gotta stop them. So you know what debris does? Makes it crash.
Yes. Sure.
So we're just chilling out right now, just watching the people drive the cars.
I don't want to leave, really.
Don't want to leave because it's so cool.
I love the sound.
The sound is very awesome.
Yeah.
I just want to go again. Like 10 laps would be perfect,
But like $1,000.
but like $1,000. Yes, that would be an expensive ride.
And you can drive these. You don't have to just ride. You have the option, which is
You can drive them. I don't know how that works. You have to be experienced or whatnot. Okay,
Okay.
racing experience is done. We are gonna go back to the room, meet up
Maybe.
with, maybe. She's got more planned for me. Yay. We're gonna meet up with the rest of the crew.
We'll see you then.
Maybe.
That's what the warm air does. It just makes it all chilly in here. We're here poolside and somebody dropped a mermaid.
Go get it. The water is super cold. The ocean water is a lot warmer.
Yeah. Yeah, we're about to brave the coldness of this water and just get on in here.
It's probably like 60 degrees.
Oh my goodness. All right, we're good. We're good. All right, Chris, your turn.
Good thing there's hot tubs.
Oh yeah. You just gotta go for it. Ooh, it's chilly. Ooh, ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's beautiful out here though. All right, now that we just braved this cold water, we'll head back to Jake and see what he's doing with his car. I heard it's not good. We'll see how it is.
Holy cow, I'm dirty. Yeesh. Guess that's what happens when you work on an old diesel. So yeah, well, everybody's down in Florida having a good time. I am currently doing some work on the Jetta, which you guys saw last week. We introduced the Jetta and the Golf, two very fun little cars, but mine does not run the greatest. It runs good, but not as good as it could. So basically what I did is I pulled the intake manifold right out of there, and I was gonna clean it, but I saw a video of how dirty these things actually are, and I really didn't want to take the time to clean it all in the same day that I was gonna remove it. So, pulled that one out. That one is over here. And look at how dirty this thing is. I mean, that's just all diesel exhaust soot caked inside this intake manifold because the EGR recycles the exhaust gas. So this thing is super dirty. It's gonna need a good cleaning. So we'll do that later. But I went on eBay, picked up a used one of these, which is already clean. So I got a new, there goes the bolts. New gasket. I also got an EGR delete so I can get rid of this little troublemaker, because this thing is also pretty caked with gunk and yuckiness. So yeah, that's all gonna go right back in. It was a little bit of a nightmare getting everything out, but hopefully the reassembly Goes way better. Holy mackerel, it's all done. Yep, we got the check engine light. That's for the transmission. Don't worry about it. I don't know if it actually throws a code for the EGR delete or not. There's really no way of knowing unless I plug a scanner into it, which I do have. I could do that, but I'm not really worried about it because the check engine light's already on. Yeah, thing fired right up. Sounds good. So now, me and my dirty self get to go for a test drive. And hopefully, all goes well. Because I don't really feel like being broken down on the side of the road with it being like 45 degrees out. But, oh man.
A few moments later.
Not bad. Still a little slow, but she is an automatic. She's not she's not a manual, so I can't hold it to the floor and bang through the gears like Caleb can. It also doesn't have the bigger injectors, so it's not quite getting the same amount of fuel his is. His is quite a bit faster than mine, which I'm a little salty about, but that's fine. Because, you know what? As long as this thing can get me from point A to point B without breaking down, that's all I need. Doesn't need to be a speed demon, but a little more get up and go would be nice. So if you guys have any cool parts that you think we should throw on these things, let us know. But that's enough about, you know, me and my struggles with a small car. Let's get back to the Florida guys, see what they're up to.
All right, we are Oceanside with Chris and Tyler. About to put the boogies to action. We got some big waves today. Really, every day we've been here, there've been some big waves.
Yeah.
Are the knees recovered from yesterday's session?
Sort of. Still bruised and rash, but we're good.
All right. Let's go hit it. This is a little bit different than Lake Michigan, what we're used to. There's a lot of salt here, but we are ready, and we are ready. Let's go. Woo! Woo!
That's cold, boy.
Not nearly as cold as the pool, though.
Yeah, it's still warm in the pool.
There is definitely an undertow here. It just goes straight sideways.
Cold.
Woo!
Well,
Look
the
at
truck
that.
doesn't eat me.
Nom nom nom.
Uh-oh.
Ah!
Oh,
That
we
was
got
on my
some big
back.
ones coming. I don't like the cold. Good thing
You just
there's hot tubs.
gotta get in. You want me to take your sunglasses? Oh, here we go. Oh, that was a good one.
Here we go. You feel the
Here we
This
go.
one right here.
Here we go, boys.
Yeah! That was good! That was so fast.
Swimming in the ocean.
Hi.
We're here.
Should have liked the ocean.
We are back. It is much warmer today. We're looking at 80 degrees, less wind, warmer water. Let's go meet Tyler, the professional boogie boarder. How are the waves?
Big.
Big?
They're big.
Big, big.
They're big.
Ah!
Are they good enough?
That was in my face. So the thing about Daytona Beach is that these waves double and triple up. So you think you're fine, and then you just get hit by another one and another one. Here we go, we're gonna get one for Chris. Oh. Woo. That one got all deep in my ear. Ow!
You gotta do it for the shots.
My ear. I do it for the shots, but man, my ear.
That's all.
Oh my gosh.
I barely touched him.
Oh, now that we got the shenanigans out of the way, we're gonna get back to professional boogie boarding. Yes! Oh,
Oh, good.
that's gonna be a good one. Get it! Get it! Woo! Dude, Tyler got taken all the way. All the way, baby.
All right.
Woo!
It's Cam's turn for sure.
My turn?
He won't do it.
I'm gonna lose my sunglasses.
I'll hold on to your sunglasses.
I need my buddy.
I'm gonna be cool like I'm gonna be cool like Cam. How do you see through these things?
Basically, you just look.
This one right here. Yeah, buddy. I'm in the water. Salty.
On this one here. Good one. Good one.
Here we go. This one right here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude, I got knocked into you. Oh my God. That was nuts.
I just hear.
Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh my.
My sunglasses are gone. Oh my gosh. My sunglasses. My sunglasses are gone.
Dude, no. I lost them. Where'd they go?
Chris had them.
Somewhere in this vicinity.
Wow. Well, my sunglasses are no more. And that's gonna be the end of this video.
Now that means I have to buy more sunglasses.
If you don't have to buy 2 sets of heat waves, are you really wearing heat waves?
Yeah, let's go.
That's what I'm saying.
All right, this is Michigan Outlaws and we are out. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check it all out. We got lots of videos. Definitely not a lot of vacations because we're usually riding. But if you like riding videos, go check us out. Link in the description. Hope you all like. We'll see you next week. Goodbye.